Oh, this is where I messed up yesterday. That low line.
Fresh and ready to rumble on day 2. On the same warm-up track as day 1, threw me over a curveball. But luckily I managed to avoid a tree and find a soft landing, which turned out to be the only puddle in Italy, and according to Ali from Ride On, was most likely donated by a wild boar. Nice.
Still rolling. Yeah, it just wheel jacked, you know, the front wheel. Yeah, go on. Woo! Oh, it's not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad, that. Got it on camera anyway. Oh, jeez.
Don't feel right having
If you saved that though, Tom. I know.
We're so lucky to landing that road. Could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, not tippy toes, wasn't it? Of all the places to land.
After that we made our way up to the old NATO base, which is pretty iconic. Originally a military communications facility built in 1961, manned by the US Army Signal Company and owned by the 509th Battalion, initially used for radio, was abandoned fully in 1992 when satellite technology took over. Moving on to some proper riding, someone had hijacked the camera, which was Jack, to chase Oggy down for a few runs, which was least we could do, given the fact that EasyJet had not bothered to load his bike onto the plane, and he'd ended up hiring one with me and Lev.
My brakes had absolutely shot.
So this is what life up front looked like on some more flowy single track.
Like that.
Send it, Jack.
Next up was Oggy, also showing us a few skills and giving the mic a decent audio test.
We like that. We like that a lot. Like that. Somewhat proper it here.
So far, day 2 was turning out to be full of the similar tight turns and fast pace as in day 1. But after another lunch stop in paradise, Jack nabbed it back for what was about to be the biggest test of the overall limits of the group. According to trail folks, this bad boy is rarely ridden, has 300 metres of descent, summed up as flow at the top and gnaw at the bottom. The gradient was mega steep with not much option to stop once you were in, then pile on the treacherous drop to each side, and a few rough and ready rock rollers, and you've got a nice step out of the comfort zone to really separate the men from the boys. Surprisingly, rated as a blue.
I know, I'm cool, innit?
It was bits when you don't know what.
Finally, the camera takeover went to Josh for some fun in the dust on the descent back down, mixed in with some more flowy sections and some twisty turns. To meet the ride-on lads waiting in the Land Rovers to take us back for the end of day 2, ready for a quick dip and another night of R&R.
That's like walk of shame.
coming up.
Compressor, the bar just snapped.
Definitely saving the best till last. Subscribe now for part 3 and I'll see you next time. Nice one.